You insult him at any slight provocation. You make him feel worthless. You make me feel that he's not trying his best. You make him feel that his best is not even enough. You compare him with another people. You slap him and humiliate him in the presence of his friend. And also back yourself up with the constitution of the land. Do you know why he's still tolerating your excesses? Because he hasn't found your replacement. When he finds your replacement, he will leave you and go for that one who make him happy. You might be thinking that you already have a child for him, or you guys have come a long way. Believe me, every man always fight to have his peace of mind and happiness. When he wants to leave you, he will leave you and go and settle for someone he just met, not up to 6 months or a year. Wise and amend your way. Work on your character. The beauty of every lady is in their character. Try to amend your way before it's too late. One love.